Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PiggyVest feature for automated savings, and here's the breakdown. If you want savings to happen without thinking about it, PiggyVest has features that make it effortless and automatic. The top one is the automatic savings, which lets you set a schedule daily, weekly or monthly, so money moves straight from your bank to PiggyVest without you lifting a finger. Another great tool is target savings, where you pick what you were saving for and PiggyVest auto move small amount into the pot on a schedule. SafeLock also has discipline by locking funds for a set time so you can't touch them. This also helps you grow savings very fast. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more easy money tips, and comment which automated features you would like to turn on first on your PiggyVest account. And that's it.